Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a video or a message on my video saying that when they use text editor, that the words are so small that it's kind of hard to read. And I agree. And I'm working on a solution I don't think there is right now. This is pretty cool, but you can do it without the text editor just as good because you can zoom in on your text and you can change anything you want. Let's even zoom in more and make it huge. You're in the text mode. All you have to do is grab your text tool and get on your line and snap to where you want to go. And let's say not and put and use the text. Well, that doesn't make any sense. And use the text. So wherever you're at, you can change that. You could highlight this. You could make the text bold. So just take when you're in your text mode, you can do anything you want. You could make these letters red. You could select everything and give it left justified, or you can go back to center justified. You can do everything right here that's in the text editor and be close in and be able to see everything. And I mean, all the tools are right here. Everything you've got that you have in your text editor is here. I mean, underline, italics, bold, the point, the font, and it's the same thing here. You have to basically back up to take away windows. Well, you can do the same thing here. Just take your text tool and click. Matter of fact, you can probably even do it quicker just by highlighting it all and then hit delete. So you can do everything here than you can do here. I get it's a crutch, and I use it all the time. But this works just as well, if not better. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.